Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's your LOA bestie, Khali. In today's video, we are talking about how visualization is a great tool to use when manifesting. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams. When you take time to visualize your desired outcomes, you become emotionally connected to them, allowing you to tap into the power of the law of assumption. Through visualization, you can intentionally create your reality by focusing on the positive aspects of your dreams. This is done by scripting your intentions and taking the time to write out in detail what you want in life. Additionally, you can use your words to create the reality you desire by speaking your intentions out loud. Meditation, prayer, and vision boards are great tools to use on your manifesting journey. Visualization boosts your confidence while manifesting and lessen your doubts, which cause your manifestations to show up quicker. That's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget that you are powerful and you can create your desired reality. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.